welcome back for a quick update. It's Christmas time. I've got a lot of packages the last days and we will have a look what's inside. And because my arm is still not quite well, I will need some help from a friend. Let's see. And here we are. So what is it? It's a brand new resin printer and a washing unit. For unit 2 I had to print a new gear for the tape mechanic, but it wasn't quite successful. It's cloud, it has problems when you rewind, it's not so detailed to be satisfying enough. So I will try to print it with the resin printer and hopefully we'll get better results. So this will be another episode. I've also got some PCBs for the tape. This is for the test of a tape deck CPU. And we will build this together. And there's a bag full of capacitors. And we need them to replace all the capacitors in Unit 3. So well, that's just a quick update. I think I have a lot of work and I'm pretty sure I'm not getting bored the next weeks. See you later.
But there is one more thing that I want to talk about.
You probably know that I have 3 units, but last weekend look what I found on a flea market. On an online flea market. It's unit number 4. Welcome! The woman I bought it from said it is working, so I was really surprised because it would be the first one I have ever seen which is working. When she handed me over the machine on the street and said, "I'm selling this for my brother," it was quite clear that this is not working. I don't know, what are people thinking? That we are stupid or what? "Oh, I sell it for my brother, I don't know anything, I'm so stupid." Well, be fair, say it's not working, it's no problem. It was that cheap that I had to buy it. And even if this will become a donor or not, we are going to repair everything. And the interesting thing is, it shows some different issues. So I'm pretty sure this is getting interesting and we will come to it later when we are finished with unit number 3, step by step. Cheers!